Welcome to KYRO. In this video, we'll guide you through adding custom project fields to your KYRO account. To perform this action, you need to be an org admin. First, log into the KYRO web app at app.kyro.ai. Next, click Admin and then Organization from the left-hand menu. Within Organization Settings, click on Custom Fields. Within Custom Fields, choose Project. Click the Add button to initiate the creation of a new custom project field. Assign a title to the custom field that reflects the language used in your work orders. Select the type of custom field you require, with options including text field, text area, number, select, people, and date and time. Decide if this custom field should be included in the project creation form and determine whether the field is to be mandatory for project setup. Finally, click Add to finish saving the custom field to your organization. Thank you for using KYRO. For more tips and tutorials, visit our help center at help.kyro.ai.